In this video, I'll be showing you why you shouldn't do all the work yourself in your business and how to outsource everything. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again on the channel. Ring the bell, make sure you get notified every time I upload a video. I'll try and keep that consistent throughout the rest of the year. And so let's get right into the video. So if you currently own a digital marketing agency, or if you own any sort of service-based business where you can be self-employed or a freelancer for that matter, why you shouldn't do all the work yourself? A lot of people say, well, if I do all the work myself, that means I'll keep more money into my pocket and I'll be making more money that way. Well, if you think long and hard, we don't actually even need to think long and hard. You are capped. You can only take so many clients. And this is the problem with when you work on a freelancer basis or when you are self-employed. You simply don't have the time to grow the business the way you should be growing it. Number one, too much time. The only thing you should be concerned is how to drive more clients through the pipeline, okay? How to get more revenue and how to grow the business. Growth should be on your mind, not how to deliver the actual work, okay? There's plenty of people out there that will help you with the service delivery and can even do a better job than you can. So the only thing that should be on your mind is growth, growth, growth. Let's say this is the timeline and we have about 16 to 18 hours of awake time. And so if you spend this much reaching out to people and this much doing the client work, I can guarantee you're not going to grow anytime soon. So you're spending about 10 to 15% of your awake time doing the thing which is the most important, and you're spending the rest 85 to 90% doing the client work, which is not going to get you more business, right? And so this is very counterintuitive. The things that matters the most is revenue. And how do you drive revenue through? You certainly don't do it by doing more client work, because you can't, right? You only have 16 to 18 hours depending on how much you sleep. So reaching out and doing more, taking more calls, doing more meetings will get you there. Not this, okay? This could be easily outsourced. Now, another option that you have to outsource your client's work is to go to different Facebook groups and start chatting with people that are in there. You can find people that are very, very credible. That's how I did it. And so you can find people that are very, very credible, do a very, very good job. And so we'll free up all that time, that 85 to 95%, you'll be on the reverse. I hope you found this video helpful. I will be making more videos on how to find an outsourcing partner. Please give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't, okay? I'll see you again on the next one.